Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia. Today I want to show you the beautiful street of Istanbul. Come with me. Hello friends, welcome to Amazing Background. This is Camelia, and as usual I'm here in one of the most beautiful area of Istanbul. An amazing area offering great views of Bosphorus and the Bosphorus Bridge. I visited because I wanted to try the kefir and the waffles that the area is famous for, and I wasn't disappointed. Ortakoy is a neighborhood right by the Bosphorus Straits on the European side. It's just around the famous bridge connecting two continents. The main attraction here is the same name mosque, very ornate. However, I find it more interesting to walk the side streets further to feel real local life. There's also a water taxi station nearby to cross on the other side with great views of the bridge. Ortakoy Square is a famous and one of the most touristy area in the Beşiktaş district. The excellent location makes it a very popular and lively place full of young people and tourists. Besides people watching, other favorite activities includes drinking tea or coffee at various cafes and restaurants with a view of the Bosphorus. Best time to visit is at sunset with the Bosphorus Bridge and the Ortakoy Mosque lighted brightly. I love this area in Istanbul. Take a bus from Taksim Square, which takes around 45 minutes. Traffic can be bad, especially in the rush hours and on weekend. Filled with local Turkish families relaxing and enjoying the view of the Bosphorus and the bridge. I always enjoy walking in this area, and hope you enjoy this walking tour too. If you like this video, don't miss my next videos that is about Ortakoy Mosque. Thanks for watching, and it's my pleasure to support me by subscribing and setting the bell to get the notifications. And comment me if you've been there, what was your experience?
Ama güneş her gece tepemde doğuyor. Ama güneş her gece tepemde. Beklesem kışın ortasında bile uzun cümleler kurardım konuşurken. Eski filmlerde kaldı böyle sözler deniyor ama şimdi filmler olmuyor. Yani olmuyor istesem de